Morning guys, I finally got myself a laptop. It's been a while, but now I'm happy I got one again because now I can actually trade and move around basically, because before I was kind of stuck at where my setup is. So right now we got a demand literally cooking bright and early in the morning. Love it when I jump on the charts and we have it set up immediately. On TradingView we have actually hit the demand zone, but we haven't hit the demand zone on here yet. Hopefully we do get an entry. I like the way we're holding at the moment though. If we do get an entry, then I'm in there. Right now price is still pushing down. Ideally I want this to be in sync with TradingView as well. So I do want price to push down a lot lower. Usually the lower we go in the zone, that usually means less chance to be pump faked, right? Less chance to be pump faked. So I want us to go deeper in the zone. Our price is pushing up aggressively now. I like the way this is looking. We have tapped in the zone as well on here. All right, spreads was perfect. I like that. I like that entry right there. Yeah, this is looking good, man. I can't complain. This is looking good already. Nice and clean, no issues. Right. First of all, the takeoff is key, and then the landing is what's going to be important next. By landing, I mean the exit. So far, takeoff was smooth. Big rejection. But now we'll just let this cook, man. We'll just let it do its thing. At this point, there's nothing else for me to do. I'm in there. So for this trade, I probably could have done an aggressive entry. Kind of wish I did, low key, because I like how there's no fair value gaps below. Everything's looking good. Price is pushing up now. So probably could have taken my shot, but you know when it works, you just don't need to change it. So I guess I'm just doing what's been working, to be honest. Also, make sure you stay tuned. Very soon, I'm not sure when, but probably in the next week or so, I'm going to be posting 3 videos back to back every day. And these videos basically going to be me going through how to trade, right? Spilling all the beans, showing you exactly what to do from start to finish so you can start well in 2026. Exactly how I do it. The 3 pillars that you need to master the strategy. So that way, this should be somewhat useful. It's going to be completely free. It's going to be on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe for that video. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so right now we didn't close above, right? Usually the first candle I needed to close above, I'll be honest. It didn't close above the previous candle. It's fine though. It doesn't mean anything crazy yet, but it's better if it does. We don't want to just kind of get stuck. And right now I'm seeing 3 candles back to back of kind of closing a similar line. So we're either going to consolidate for a little bit and then drop or go up. Can't really say for sure, but we'll see what happens. But right now I can't really tell. I can't really tell. But so far we're pushing up at least, so it looks good. We're not just melting and trying to save ourselves. For those who are wondering what brokers I use, what platform I use, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Just click on that and it's going to take you to pretty much what I do. I've been using these brokers and platform for a long time now, so check it out if you do want to. Now let's take a quick break to tell you about the sponsor of the video, Prop Match. Now, are you tired of wasting hours comparing different platforms, going on different websites, or even spending hours trying to find the best discounts available for your next platform challenge? Now, Prop Match instantly filters through all of this. It shows you the rules and regulations. It shows you the most popular platforms that people are actually using today. It shows you all the reviews. It shows you the ones to avoid. It shows you the ones that don't pay out. Everything you need to know all in one place. So why settle for something random when you can just pick the best platform for you? There's no fluff, there's no hidden rules, there's nothing to pay. Just go onto Prop Match today. Link will be in the description of this video. Check them out, and I promise you, you would not regret it. There's someone that's been bugging me, and I was even chatting to my students about Alicia the other day about how like many of them are still trying to figure out this platform thing, but they're just failing at it for some reason, even though it's all there. So we're having a conversation basically, and eventually I said to them, you know what I'll do for them is I'm gonna make a, I like this push right here. Hey. I like this push right here, but what I'm going to do for them is basically, I'm going to make a video where I'm going to fully dive into how to pass. Exactly how to pass, exactly how I do it, show you the data, show you exactly what gives me the confidence to just take these trades day in, day out. I'm not fussed because it's backed by data. I'm not just doing it because I feel like it. So I'm going to show them exactly how to go about it to get funded. Like, I'm so confident if you follow it to the T, you're probably gonna pass your next 1, 2, 3 accounts. I'm so confident. If you don't, you're doing something wrong and you're not following what I'm telling you. Now, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have this available for free. I'm gonna have it available for free for probably 24 hours. After that, you're gonna have to pay for it. Eventually, I'm gonna, keep it, archive it, and if you want it, you're gonna have to probably pay for it. So it's gonna be free for anyone who wants it. All you have to do is, literally, when you're joining Sales Academy, you just get that for free. All right, that's the simplest way. And those already in the academy are just gonna get it for free without having to do anything. So if you do want it, there'll be a link again in the description. Just click on the Sales Academy, try to join, and it'll be there for 24 hours. The day this video drops as well, I'll probably do it, so that way anyone who watches this video in 24 hours will get access to it. And I'm confident if you do pass after watching that video, just DM me on IG at Solid Advice. If you do pass, I'm so confident you will. If you don't, tell me why and I'll try to help you. Just tell me what happened, what went wrong, and I'll do my best to actually help you and give you another chance. And I don't know, whatever I can do to help you, I'll help you. I'm so confident. That's how confident I am, because it's ridiculous. I don't get why it's so tough, right? The basis of trading itself is just find a system that works. Make sure at least at a bare minimum, your win rate is at least 50% just by going for one-to-ones, at least 50. And then all you have to do is just add a few extra bits and bobs to it to get over that 50%, 55, 60, and then you're cooking, and you just have to follow that. But I think the issue with many of us is complicating it. We're trying to do too much. We're trying to follow maybe content creators and go for the 1-to-65 RR because it feels nicer. There's a lot more dopamine. I don't know what it is that you guys are chasing that's causing the headaches, but I'm gonna boil it down, man, and just give you the recipe. If you follow it, the food is gonna be done and it's gonna taste nice. If you choose not to follow it, then you're gonna keep having your chips and ketchup every day. I don't know. Anyway, this trade right now is looking clean. So we finally broke that consolidation, so now it's looking more promising. There is a supply zone above, so my guess is we're gonna hit that for a bit. There's gonna be one candle that might retrace, and then if we are good, then the next candle is just gonna continue going up. If we're not, then what's gonna happen is that candle is just gonna continue melting after that. So we'll see when we hit the supply. I think we already have hit the supply. Yeah, we have actually. We've hit the supply, but we haven't filled the gap in that zone. But we hit the supply, so price is already doing that retracement that I thought. So my prediction is the next candle should go up. How do I know this? I'm not 100% confident. I'm not telling you it's guaranteed gonna happen, but statistically, I've seen this happen so many times that I feel like that's what's gonna happen. I've seen it happen so many times. So we'll wait for this candle to close, and then we'll see what the next candle does. Okay, we broke the low of that other candle, so maybe we're cooked. Another tip for you guys, right? To not make you panic, because having a peace of mind while you trade is key, honestly. To not make you panic is, if a trade is playing around, whatever, it starts going to draw down, just wait until you hit your zone again. So in this case, my final barrier is when we come back, hit the zone. If we tap the zone and then continue going upwards, sometimes that's good, right? Price just wanted to retest the zone, more buyers jump in, and then we start shooting upwards. But if price hits the zone and there's no sign of it going in your direction, then you're probably cooked. But anything else before they hit your zone again, you don't need to worry too much. Like, sometimes price will go back to where it came from and just pick up more buyers or sellers, right? Depends if it's a buy or sell. I'm sure we understand that. But right now, this candle looks like it's going about its way again. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. We're nearly there. Nearly there. Hopefully when we fill that gap, we don't have any issues. That's kind of the next point to where there could be problems. As soon as we fill the fair value gap right there, we might. Hopefully not though, because we're so close to TP, so I hope we just kind of shoot up and tap it. All right, one more candle now, come on. I do hope you learned a thing or two in this video. Hopefully, that's the aim of this. Hopefully you learned something. And there we go. That's the trade done.